Moving now to the shocking details that have come to the fore with regards to Bhole Baba's ashram in Alwar in Rajasthan. There are shocking details that are now emerging. Now, if you remember, 123 devotees had died at Bhole Baba's satsang that took place in Hathras on the 2nd of July. Now, women devotees have spoken out over what used to happen inside this ashram. The Baba allegedly surrounded himself with virgin girls whom he called gopis. They were given red dresses to wear. Bhole Baba was fed his meals by these gopis and was also prepped for a special bath that he used to take. Married women were not allowed to meet this self-styled godman. It has been 9 days and counting. There has been no trace of the Hathras style godman Bhole Baba. Now, there was a satsang that took place on the 2nd of July, and in this satsang, 123 devotees lost their lives when a stampede occurred. Bhole Baba's past has now come under the radar. India Today has uncovered his not-so-bhole life in the ashram, where young virgin girls were at Surajpal's beck and call. Take a look at the secret life of Bhole Baba.
Bhole Baba, whereabouts unknown since the deadly stampede in Hathras. He was the man leading the satsang on July 2nd. Since the tragedy, he's only put out one video statement. Now, his past is catching up with him. India Today has uncovered an unholy side of this self-styled godman. The relationship between him and his female devotees or gopis. Men and women who went to Bhole Baba's satsang have made some sensational revelations. They claim Surajpal, aka Bhole Baba, surrounded himself with virgin girls. He would tell these girls that they can see the reflection of God in his sunglasses, which he would wear only during the satsang. The girls were given special red dresses by the satsang organizing committee. These girls in red would then dress up and put makeup and dance around Bhole Baba. Red attire was only for virginal girls.
लड़कियां गहने कपड़े पहनकर नाचती और बाबा के पास कूद कूद के उनने जाली जंगलाने और पहुंच जाती और खूब नाचते हंसते उनने उनके चश्मान में प्रभु दिखाई देवे और खूब नाचे। वो आत्मा उनके पति बना कर रह गई। उनमें टेंट तंबू कचुताने रहते वहीं पे तैयार होती और वहीं पे दरबार में जाती। ड्रेस में जाती, बगैर ड्रेस हमने कोई ये ना घुसन देवे। जो ड्रेस पहन कर रहती वो सज धज कर वो ही जाती।
Devotees claim only virgins were made Bhole Baba's disciples and that married women were not allowed to meet him.
लड़कियां ही रहती थी कुआरी, ब्याही जो अनपढ़ लड़कियां वो गुरनाम लेती, वो लेडीज जो मतलब उनने अंधविश्वास ने एक भी भीतर ना हुई ऐसो वो तो वह भोले बाबा के रूप से देखे जिनको ने एक भी ना हो।
This not so Bhole Baba also had his own harem. Special bath water would be prepared by the Baba's gopis that had neem and rose petals and would be scented with perfume. The gopis would also feed him.
नीम का पानी से स्नान करता है, लेडीज ही उसे नहलाती हैं, लेडीज ही खिलाती हैं, कपड़े तलाक लेडीज पहनाती हैं। और लेडीजों में भी कुंवारी लड़कियां हैं, ये नहीं कि ब्याही थाई लड़कियां आती हों।
A godman who indulged in most unholy acts. That's Bhole Baba. Bureau Report, India Today.